What's up guys, I'm back and today we have a $100 iPhone XS clone with us, and inside the box there are no accessories and adapters. You only get this quick start guide and yeah, no Apple stickers too. That's kind of a bummer, but that's what you pay for. It's $100 and it's pretty good. And this is one of the first no chin clones. All the iPhone X clones had this chin at the bottom, made it look ugly. This one is gonna have no chin and it's already turned on. I hope it still has some battery inside. So all these clones, all these Chinese phones, they come in this bubble wrap for protection purposes. I don't know why they do this, but they're doing this from here, so that's that. Now on the phone you can see they already have the guard on, and most of the clones they ship with a cover. This one did not. But one thing I really like about these clones are they're already turned on and activated. You don't have to set them up yourself. It's pretty cool, and just take it out of the box and you're good to go. Now keep this thing in mind, this thing is a native Android phone and not a native iOS phone. So it has iOS ROM on top of Android. So if you mess around or maybe try to root this thing, you lose the ROM and this thing will turn out to be an Android phone that'll be really buggy and slow, because these things, they don't have good processors and good specs. These are basic specs that you get for $100. So that's that. Keep that in mind. Other than that, for the price, you can't go wrong with this thing. And if you guys want me to make more videos comparing it to the real deal and all that stuff, leave it in the comments and I'll make a video. Now I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More content coming soon. Until then, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.